In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple new watch lists in Tradingview. First, open your watchlist panel. Look to the top right of your Tradingview chart for the watchlist icon. It often looks like a small list or a star. Click it, and your current watchlist will slide out. This panel is where you'll manage everything. Next, access the List menu. At the top of the watchlist panel, you'll see the current list name. Click the small drop-down arrow beside that name. This opens the menu that controls which list you are viewing and where you can create new ones. From that drop-down, choose plus Create New List. Keep in mind, creating multiple watch lists is a paid plan feature. If you are on a free plan, you may see an upgrade prompt here. If you do have an eligible plan, selecting this option will open a naming dialog for your new list. Give your list a clear, unique name and click Save. Strong names make a big difference when you start juggling several lists. Think in terms of purpose, region, or strategy. For example, you might separate long-term holdings from short-term trades, or group by sectors, indices, or asset classes. The name you choose now becomes the label you'll use to switch back to this list later. With the new list created, start adding symbols. Use the plus button in the watchlist panel to add stocks, cryptocurrencies, or FX pairs. Type the ticker or instrument name, then confirm to add it. As you build your list, consider keeping a consistent format such as adding major benchmarks first, then your primary candidates so the list stays readable at a glance. If you make a mistake, you can always remove a symbol later without affecting your other lists. To create more lists, repeat the same process from the drop-down next to the list name. Choose plus Create New List. Name it and save. You can make as many lists as your plan allows. Switching between them is simple, just use that same drop-down to jump from one list to another. This is especially handy when you want to separate daily watch candidates from longer-term monitoring, or when you need a clean slate for a specific trading session. That's it. Thanks for watching.